Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open, or rather we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Huawei Health application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do it, we need to open the settings first. In settings, you need to find the option called Bluetooth. And once you find the Bluetooth, tap on it, and here you should see your Honor Watch GS Pro. And it's probably gonna be listed twice. And once you see both of them, tap on the info icon next to the one. And the second one, as you can see, it has this option called Share System Notifications. If you don't see this option, you can check the other device on the list, or if neither of them has it, you will need to do something. You will need to close the settings, open the Huawei Health, tap on Devices, select your Honor Watch GS Pro from the list of devices, scroll down, tap on Notifications, and turn on the notifications. And once you turn them on, wait for a couple of seconds. You should see the pop-up about the permissions on the screen. Once you see the pop-up, tap on Allow to allow the permissions, and after you allow the permissions, you can go back to the settings on your iPhone, and in settings, Bluetooth, tap on info icon next to one of those, and one of them should have the option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled. Make sure this option is enabled. Okay, once you do, go back to settings, scroll down through the list of apps and settings, find the Huawei Health application, tap on it, and make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, close the settings. Open your Huawei Health application, tap on Devices, select your Honor GS Pro from the list, scroll down, tap on Notifications, and if your notifications are disabled, turn them on by tapping on the switch. And once you turn them on, you will see a list of features and apps you can enable and disable the notifications for. And we have the Messages, Huawei Health, Calendar, and Telegram. But we can also enable notifications for the other option. And what this option does is basically it turns on notifications for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list. So if you want to see notifications from Discord, for example, you need to enable the other option. And once you do, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. Wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the notification panel. And as you can see, here we have our notifications or notification. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.